Hey there, life enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're plunging into the realm of life hacks. Swift tips and tricks to streamline your everyday routine. Brace yourselves to unlock the magic of efficiency with these straightforward yet revolutionary hacks. Ever battled morning grogginess? Here's a hack. Position your alarm clock or phone across the room. It compels you to rise, commencing your day with vigor. Sayonara, snooze button. Tired of cable conundrum? Employ binder clips to manage your chargers and cords on your desk. Bid farewell to the clutter and welcome an orderly workspace. Got an old shoebox? Morph it into a chic desk organizer. It's an economical method to keep your stationery and small items in order. A tidy desk equals a tidy mind. Feeling the heat? Create a quick DIY air conditioner by positioning a bowl of ice in front of a fan. Revel in the immediate cool breeze without draining your wallet. Transform a hoodie into a crafty snack holder for movie nights. Just stitch a pocket inside for your favorite nibbles. Comfort meets convenience. Tired of untangling headphone knots? Coil your earbuds around an old gift card, slide them in your pocket, and presto, no more infuriating tangles when you crave your music. Had a coffee spill on your favorite shirt? Act swiftly. Pat a bit of hand sanitizer on the stain to stop it from setting. Crisis dodged and you're stain-free. Struggling with a stubborn jar? Use a rubber band for extra grip. Wrap it around the lid, and suddenly, that jar is no match for your might. There you have it, 8 life hacks to ease your day and inject a bit of inventiveness into your routine. Which hack astonished you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to share your own favorite hacks. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more life-enhancing tips, and hit the bell so you never miss a beat. Until next time, keep hacking and simplifying life. See you soon.